Hey guys and gals, Gearheadgirl here. Today we're going to go over two different types of 7mm wetsuits. So to the left we have the Cressy 2-piece, and to the right we have the Cressy 1-piece. Here's a look at the back of the 2-piece. And you can see up at the top, standard Weddy style 2-piece. And over here, look at the back of the Facile 1-piece, pretty standard. So we'll start with our 2-piece. So you've got your main zip here, which you're going to step into, and notice just regular cuffs, not a lot of seal right there, it's just on the outside. And then we come down to the underside. So you've got your main zipper, which you're going to put on there. Again, there's the seals right there. So here we have the first part of our 2-piece. Ooh, a fun part, getting this one on. So, step through there. Pull that on. Good workout. This one. Then you gotta hook this zipper in front. Pop up your hood. Woo. And you're ready to go. So this is your 2-piece 7mm by Cressy. Zippers here, see the back. So you're going to be warmer all through here because it's double layered. But again, it doesn't have the zips on the wrists or the ankles. There's not a seal. There's a tiny little seal on the outside, and that's all you get. But you do get a little bit more warm because you're double layer. Downside of that is you do have to put on both layers, and it does take a little bit longer, and it is more to keep up with, more to dry out, stuff like that. But that's your 2-piece. And now we'll take a look at our Cressy 1-piece. You've got the main seal here. You can see seals all around the head. You're going to come in here, so when you step into it, you do zip this inner seal first. So you've got that inner seal. You also have zips on the outside here. And from these zips, you've got big inner seals on the inside. So you come down here, and you also have the zips with the big seals down at the bottom. So here we have our 1-piece Cressy. It is important to note it does have the water stop seal inside. So you zip this one up first. You've got the wrist seals, so you can see here those seals there. And you can zip those up as well as the ankles. So this, you're just going to pull this, so you've got zipped up here, and then tuck the last seal in. There you go, and then you've got your Cressy 1-piece. So it looks like from the back. So the advantages of this are it is 1-piece. You don't have to struggle with 2 pieces. You have the inner seal and then the outer seal. Keeps you nice and warm. One thing about 7mm wetsuits. you probably want to put them on in the shower. Otherwise you sweat, it's gross. But yeah, inner seal, good deal. So I like these. So it's an open cell, dry cell type suit, so it does keep you warmer than a traditional wetsuit, and it does have these seals. It's also going to be up here around your face, stuff like that. So I prefer the one piece to the two piece, but it's all up to personal preference, and different suits might be better for different applications. So thanks for watching this episode of Gearheadgirl, where we went over two-piece versus one-piece cressies. And we hope to catch you back for the next one. See ya! Check us out online at gearheadgirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram at gearheadgirl69.